In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first Animoto video. What you would do is you would log into Animoto like I've done already, and then you click on the Create Video button on the top right. You can go through the different styles of Animoto, and the great thing is that it takes everything you do, it gives you certain options, and it layers everything together for you. You don't have to do any editing, no special transition work. So it's very simple in terms of building your first video. Now, you'll notice in the video styles there are two kinds. You have the regular HD version, and then you'll notice some others have a Pro HD version, and the Pro are the paid styles. So because this is a free account, I can't use this light pains version without paying for it, but that's okay. There are plenty of styles to pick from. So I would go through, I would pick a style, and let's say I wanted to use this Air version. I could look at a preview of a video if I wanted to. So it shows just stock video on top of the music and what the transitions would look like. And if I liked it, all I would do is I would click on make a 30-second video for free. You do not have to buy this, so make sure you click on the right button. So I click on to make a 30-second video, and it brings you to the editor. The first thing you need to do is choose the music, and again it brings up a dialog for you, and you can look at recommended songs, but they have an extensive music library going from classical to electronica music to hip-hop, and so there's a wide variety of music for your students to pick from. So I'm not going to go through and show you all the different kinds, but let's say I just pick, I don't know, a random song. If I want to hear it beforehand, I can play it down here at the bottom. So you can hear a very short sample of what the music behind your video would be. You would click on Add Song, and it then takes you to the picture choosing dialog. And so you click on Add Pictures or Videos, and you can pull them from Facebook or Flickr or Instagram even now. So if you're using mobile devices in your classroom, you can use Instagram images, which is awesome. Or you can upload your own. I use Picasa with my Google account, so I'm going to pull from my Picasa albums, and I'll just pull some old chemistry photos that I used with students in the past. And what it does is it links to your Google account or to your Flickr account or whatever, and it uploads any pictures or videos that you have within that album. And it takes a second to load the thumbnails, especially as you have larger and larger files or larger and larger video libraries or picture libraries. So you can see here that all of my images in the thumbnails are just put randomly in the top. So if I'm just looking to do a short overview of my students' work, I would just go through and I would pick and pull different ones. I can take these and I can mix and match within the timeline of the video. And the pictures down here at the bottom are ones that did not make it into the random pull. So if I wanted to include a periodic table image, I could do that and drag it up, and it would lengthen the video slightly. Now there is a limit to how many pictures you can have, so if I added another one, it would bump one out. So you can take these, you can mix, you can match, you can upload, you can move them around. If it's too small to see, whenever you double click on an image, it brings up a big picture for you. So this one's a little blurry, so I'm not going to use this one. I want to replace it, let's say, with this picture of the students working, so we'll drag that one out. I'm not going to take time and go through and make a very, very fancy video. But when you're done, you can add text over top, so we'll just call this chemistry and hit save. And then you would click on the Produce Video button. And Animoto then takes all of your information, it takes the music, it takes your images, and it takes your style or your theme, and it crunches them together into a video once you're done. So we'll let this render, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. So my video is finished rendering on the Animoto website, and we can watch it right here. So I'll click play and let it play for a minute just so you can see what it looks like. So notice all of the transitions are put into place for you, all of the images are there in place for you, it's nice and smooth, the music is layered, and it's very, very simple to use. So I suggest that you start uploading some images and put together a video of your own just to try it out.